like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys! Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and today I have 2 Ipsy mystery bags. I'll post the link down below. I can't even remember what I paid for them, but I know it wasn't very much because I don't spend very much on this stuff. I bargain shop as best I can, and I got these because, well, quite honestly, it was a good deal. I knew it was a good deal. And I've got some charity baskets that I need to make up and raffle off for friends that have funeral expenses right now. So I thought, I can't go wrong. I can always get stuff and put it in a bag, a box, whatever. And I do like, I like to take care of people that took care of me. And one of the families, there's 2 different families right now going through that. And one of the families, the woman has helped people in the community. Nobody in this community has gone untouched from her. And it's for her granddaughter. And her daughter's struggling to make her payments for a funeral. And so I said, well, I can't do much, but I can make a hefty bag for you to raffle off. So anyway, this is this is the bag of this one. I don't know which is which, quite honestly, because they didn't label anything. They didn't put anything in there but bubble wrap. I didn't think so. But this is a nicer bag. This is, that's the bottom. So it's a nicer bag. It's not like the normal Ipsy bags. But and it has a star here. But it doesn't say Ipsy. It just has a star there. So that's that. That's that bag. The other mystery bag has a bag too. And then I got this. I don't know what's in it, but we'll get to it in a minute. Because this has got other stuff in the bottom. So we'll do that first. Let me get, before I bury my own glasses. Because I do that. Okay. I'm going to do these 3 things first. And then we'll get to the bag. I don't know what this is. But okay, this is clear. I don't know what this is, quite honestly. I can't read it. I can't read it, but when I take it out, I have a feeling that's where the name is. It has a name. Clear something. Right there, it has a name, but I'm sure I might be able to see it when I take it out. Darn it. They didn't do it very good at the bottom, but they did seal it at the bottom. It's clear, and it's got a, what? It's Beauty Creations. That's what it is. Jeez. It's Beauty Creations. Let's see. Oh, it's a roller ball. I probably should have. It's a roller ball. Nothing's coming out, but it's a roller ball. Nothing's coming out, but it's a roller ball. So I don't know what it is. It's Take Me Back, it says. That's what it says. Take me back. So, where do you want us to take you? Back to the store? Where do you want us to take you? There's something coming out. Now something's coming out. Let's see if I can. Well, it did for a second. Yeah, it's got just a slight sparkle. I don't know if you can see it, because you probably can't, because I can't hardly get anything out of it. That's just odd. Let's see if I can roll it on my hand and maybe get something. I'm getting just barely anything. So there you go. I'm not really getting anything out of it. I don't know. And it's obviously not dried up, but I don't know. It's got like, it's just like a, see if I turn my hand a certain way, you can see it, and that's it. It's just like a shimmer on my arm, so maybe that's all it's supposed to do. And then this one is Belle and Argent Fine Point. I'm assuming it's an eyeliner. Who knows? Yeah, I think it is. I think it's an eyeliner. This is what the box looks like. I forgot to show it to you. And if I can find prices for these, I will list them, and I will put the link down below. And that's black. And it goes, it's one of those marker tips, you know. You can go fine or deep. But it is black, so that's good. That'll get used. And then we have this little thing. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Here, I'm going to have to get out my scissors. We'll be here all day. Well, not. There, about got it. Okay, what is it? Let's check it out. It is Ace Beauty. I don't know what it's supposed to be. It's pretty. It's very shiny. You know, this is what it looks like with the lid on. Ace Beauty. That's what it looks like with it off. And I will. And I'm assuming it's right here. I just did my Jeffree Star one, so I got stuff all over me, but it's right here. You can see it? Very pretty. And it's an eyeshadow, but you could use it as a highlighter. You could use it as a lip top, right? Even. I don't know if you can see that. So you can just use it as a lip topper. Or you can use it as an eyeliner. Well, goodness. So it's very pretty. Very, very pretty. I do say. Good on Ipsy for a change. I mean, not for a change. They do have good things sometimes. Shouldn't say that. Now we're going for this bag. And I have no idea what these were supposed to be. I can't remember. Okay. Still don't know. This is Pearly Body Wash from Refreshments. And it's Citrus Spirits. Let's see if it doesn't smell too bad. It's not real bold, because a lot of bold smells really affect my asthma. And so it's not so bold that it affects your asthma, but it will make it smell clean. Yeah, and it does have a scent. It says citrus spritz. And, you know, you can smell the citrusy in it, but it's not an overwhelming citrusy. So that's good. So I will be able to use this. Because I think I finally got through all of my BoxyCharm ones that I didn't even like. And this is Refreshments Body Cream Citrus Spritz. So it's in the same scent. And it might be sealed. Let me see if it's sealed. Let's see if it's, yeah, it's sealed. I'll use this. I've been trying to buy myself again. I used to just douse myself with Nivea every time I got out of the shower. Not after my last surgeries. I kind of got lazy on that too. And that's what it looks like when you take it out. It's like I said, a light scent. It just has a light scent. Let's see how fast it goes in. It goes in pretty quickly. Because I don't like them when they linger. I just don't. I want to get on with my day. But it's nice. It's nice. I like it. And then it comes with this. I don't know what this is. Comes with this little thing. this little sticker set. Who knows why? And it says, join the party with my refreshments. And it's explaining their stuff, I believe. No. This is talking about a razor and all kinds of stuff. I don't know. But anyway, there's that. The book that came with it. So that was the first bundle. And I'm sure it's worth what I paid for it. That was a pretty good bundle from Ipsy. And that does really smells good. It does. Look at me just shining and glistening. You gotta remember, I'm an old lady who has psoriasis and also doesn't have a large intestine, so when I sparkle, I sparkle. I have old skin. Let's see if I can get this one open now. And I thought what I didn't use I could throw in those baskets, because I have enough stuff around here. It doesn't kill me. It doesn't kill me to share, you know. So many people it does. And this bag is one of these styles. Let's see if I can open it. Yeah, this is one of these styles. And it's kind of, this will probably go to my granddaughter, but it's got bats and skulls and crystal balls and palm reading and you name it. And this is the bottom. This is the inside. It's a very, very nice bag. Very nice. And it's got a little skull for a pool. So, yeah, there's that. And it's, you know, that's that style. So that'll probably go to Kaylee. And then we have an eyeliner, I think. Where's my glasses? Where's my glasses? Let's see what this is. I believe it's another eyeliner. It's looks like Bear Nova. Maybe you can figure it out. I hate opening all these eyeliners all the time because they're just going to dry out. And I could be sharing them with my granddaughters. Oh well. Oh well. If she comes soon enough, she can still use it, but you know how that goes. Oh, this is a roll up. Check this out. And this is what this one looks like. You see that? Right here. And this is one of those roll ups. Stick ones. And it's, yeah, Bear Nova. That's what it says. So, that's what it says. There's that one. Just go ahead and fall on the floor. This one is Well People. Revitalizing. Oh, eye gel. Eye gel cream, it says. This is what it looks like. Yeah, I got it right side up. Let's check to see if I had it right side up. And the inside. And today is my sister's birthday, so let's see this. I have makeup on, so I will just put it on my hand for now. And it is a gel. If you can see it right here, it's a gel. But it feels kind of nice. Feels kind of nice, and it's taking a minute for it to rub in. So that's nice. I might take that up to my sister. Because, you know, saggy eyes, that's what she's always complaining about. And there's two more things in this bag. Let me put it in another bag. they're just trying me, aren't they? I know my girls are probably already waiting to watch that Jeffree Star one. Hey, check it out. It's a great deal. There, I can throw that stuff down there. I like to get these done on Monday because my mail runs on Tuesday morning. So the more I get done on Monday, the less trash I got around the house. Okay, this is Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Setting Spray. And it looks like that. And people feel a certain way about Anastasia. They either love it or they hate it. I don't know why that is. They either love it or they hate it. It's very pretty. It's very, very pretty. Look at that bottle. Oh, I see. It's got like a safety lock on it. Okay. I'm just going to spray it on my hand because it's got all that other stuff there. Yeah, that's kind of a wet spray. Try it here. It's kind of a wet spray, actually. I don't know how I'd feel about that. Yeah, it's kind of a wet spray. Do I look doing pretty now? No, I look like I just got out of a pool. That's okay, because it smells good. It smells very, very good. That's okay, because, you know, I got girls. And this is something from Iconic. And this is the last item. And it's from Iconic. And let's see. Iconic of London, I mean. Light Up Your Eye Duo. And that's what this is. Light Up Your Eye Duo. Which I have my Jeffree Star makeup on, so I won't be lighting up my... God, that stuff really did make me look wet, didn't it? It's not even dewy. It just makes me look wet. I don't know about it. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. And this is what she looks like. Oh, that's pretty packaging. But as we are learning, packaging can be everything or it can be nothing. You know? If you got a good product and you put it in a good package, the package can be great. But the product is everything. And these are the two colors. Now, I don't know. Yeah. I think it's... There it is. And it's got a protective coating on the mirror. There is a mirror there. And I'll put protective coating back on it so that it doesn't bind you. See? Then it won't bind you. Okay, then I'll just go ahead and swatch both of these. And I'll put them right here in the back of my hand. Now you really can't see them there because my skin is darker there. Let's try it. Let's try it here. See if it... Yeah, that's the colors right there. I still can't see it very good. Let me try it again. There you go. That's the two colors. And they're both shimmer shades. But it's very pretty. It's something you can just throw in your purse for touch-ups. It's very pretty. So yeah, I would say both of them are worth what I paid for it, even though I don't remember what I paid for it. Because I'm thinking they were like $20 or $30. So they were both worth that. Because I wouldn't pay more than that. But anyway, those are my mystery bundles. I will leave all the links down below. And if I can find the value of these, I will put it up. But if I can't find the value, I'm sorry. I'll put it on the screen. And if I can't find the value, I'm sorry. So, you know, and I'll also put it down below anyway. So, come on back. Do all the YouTube-y stuff. You know how we do here. All right. Bye.